In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on additional settings available here. Now select languages and import. Manage keyboards and Gboard. Finally, choose corrections and suggestions to tap on this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can switch it off or turn it on. Quick tip, if you decided you do want to use autocorrection, click on it on the left and then use this switcher next to Undo Autocorrect on Backspace to try this feature as well. And if you won't like it, you already know where to switch it off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!